Happy Father's Day. Love means being there, and making memories together is the purest way to say, I love you. This Father's Day, celebrate the laughter, the lessons, and the love by turning your favorite moments into lasting memories with HitPaw Edimakor. Edimakor is the AI video editor that helps you tell your story beautifully. No professional skills required. Packed with powerful and easy-to-use features. Video templates. Quickly create stunning videos by simply swapping in your own clips and photos. AI video magic. Generate AI hugging videos, dancing scenes, or even Ghibli-style animations with you and your dad. Let AI bring your imagination to life. A variety of text templates and stickers. AI avatars. Want to star in a talk show or belt out a song?
In the depths of night, where shadows sway, your memory.
Use Edimakor's AI avatar to create something your dad will never forget. With Edimakor, you focus on the memories. We'll take care of the magic. From June 10 to June 26, join our Father's Day giveaway and get a chance to win a free 1-year Edimakor license worth $49.95. Here's all you need to do. Subscribe to our channel, watch this video till the end. Leave a comment below with the Edimakor AI feature you'd love to try and your creative idea for using it. The top 5 comments with the most likes will each win a 1-year Edimakor license. So get creative, and don't forget to like your favorites too. This Father's Day, make your memories last forever. Capture the laughter, celebrate the love, and let Edimakor help you create something truly unforgettable. Subscribe, comment, and celebrate with us. We can't wait to see what you'll create. Happy Father's Day. And if you're watching from Taiwan or Korea, don't miss our 618 sale.